cute. I have like 20 pairs of flip-flops.
Woo! Have it! Yeah!
Just guide the rope. Now twist it. Turn it this way.
He's right at it.
This way. Yeah, and it comes right out.
I'd say that's
Now you can just grab this claw.
a keeper, right? I mean, he's right there.
Yep, keep up. So now just grab this claw.
Alright.
Gotcha. Go over. Turn the.
Wait a minute. Got it.
You bit it. You bit it.
Turn these.
Oh. Not very good at this job.
Yeah. Could be a very painful job too if you screw it up.
Yeah, now flip your pliers. Beauty. Jeff's going old school on number one.
Right.
Old school, my friend.
Oh, you almost fell in. Anything in there? Oh yeah.
Oh, got some.
Some grass.
You got anything in there?
Alright.
Next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Ready?
Good, right? Fresh fish. Just first tuna right off the target.
It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long. Caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget We were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. We were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite.
Something touched me deep inside. The music died. So bye, Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing, "This'll be the day that I die.
Is this who really sings this song?
This'll be the day that I die."
You guys gonna come down and ask us to turn the radio up.
Did you write the book of love?